Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia and I am super excited because I was asked by Citrus Twist to be a guest designer for the months of October and November, and I'm going to be using their holiday collection, their holiday kit, to finish my 2020 album. I'm currently on, when I'm filming this, I'm on day 11, and I'm gonna be using this kit so you can use my pages as inspiration. I'm gonna have the links to the Citrus Twist shop below if you're interested in getting anything at all. Make sure you follow them on Instagram. I think their Instagram is Citrus Twist Kits, and they also have fan forum on Facebook. And oh, I did not take all the tape off. I am super excited because I love the colors of Citrus Twist, and I did use one of their holiday kits back when I was on their design team a few years ago. So let's open it. Oh, and they sent me a card that says, "Hello Jenny, thanks so much for guest designing for Citrus Twist Kits. We are excited to have you and see what you create. Let us know if you have any questions. Happy storytelling. Love, Erin and Trina." And I already see sequins, and if you know me, you know that I love sequins. I also have a few bits. Oh, this is cute. I'm gonna be careful with this because I kind of want to take it off and maybe use it in the kit. And I think this is the kit. They did send other items. Let's open this kit first. I'm so excited. If you didn't tell by the 20,000 times I've said it before. Okay. Love the baggie, so cute. Okay, so we have a little bit of twine, which is the same one we have here. Some enamel dots, and I love these because they're kind of like, they look like extra shiny but extra glossy too. Ooh, this is so cute because I do have these candies. You have seen them in my albums, but they are not that big. Let me reach for. Okay, so this is the one from my DIY sequin mix, and this is the one. It's almost twice as big. So I love that so much. I love my sparkly bits. And these are, this is the ephemera pack. Here there's a closer look, and I love that there is an elf. We do have an elf on the shelf. It's never on a shelf, but yeah. And there's lots of bits of journaling here. I'm gonna open it. Normally, there's kind of like a vintage Santa too. I love these tickets and tokens. They're so cool. It says December. Santa. Good, bad, naughty, and nice. The wreath, I love. Ooh, I love this pattern paper. And I love labels, that way I can stamp on them. I can write on them. I love that Dear Santa one because the girls do write letters to Santa, and we were lucky to find a safe place to visit Santa last year. I'm hoping we get to do the same this year. I love this because it's vintage, but not, it doesn't have like the muted vintage colors that some items have. I like this. It looks like a record, like a record. Oh. And the elf. I love this. It's really cute. City sidewalks, busy sidewalks. Christmas elf, Wetworks, Santa's workshop, together, believe. More little hearts, which I love because I like to do like a heart and some washi and a little word sticker. Toyland, more hearts. Labels. This says family traditions this year. Okay, and then that's the ephemera pack. Let's see, the puffy stickers are so cute. I always love these, and I love words, and this is really cute. And this looks like a vintage cartoon. I love these colors, and yes, thank you, numbers. I get so bummed whenever I see an awesome alpha stickers and they don't have numbers, because I also do Project Life, so it's great to write the number of the week. And I love these. They're so cute, especially like that contrast between the red and the white. Chipboard stickers. Oh, these are so cute. And I love this pattern. It's really cute. And puffy sticker words. They say magic home, nice, capture, merry, calm, joy, shine, believe, jolly, and love. And lots of little hearts and stickers, and these branches. So I'm gonna put this right here. I'm gonna move this so I don't. And these are for the albums, and this is for the Life Crafted albums size, and I love it because I get to add some of these sizes to my album. I also like these are awesome. I have them right here in my go-to kit, and you can use them for a big photo. You can use them to so you don't have to punch holes into a paper. It's great. I love those. There's a few of those in there. I love this Sam set, and also numbers. You saw that? Yay. And they look smaller, so I'm pretty sure that you can put these as the shadow, so I could do these in black and these in red. That would be cute. Or these pink and these in this red. You'll see all the combinations that I'll get to use. Also love these puffy alphas. This color goes perfect with the kits too. Oh, and this is Flea Market Findings. So this is the October kit. Great. Okay. Let's see what's inside. Wait, should I open this or should I go? You know what? Let me open this at the end, because I think these might go with the kit. Although this card says Everyday Life. They're still very cute. Ooh, I love these. These are like basics, sort of. Oh, but they're so pretty. Oh, I really like this one. Yes, these are basic and they're pretty awesome. And I love the material too that they use. These are the patterns on the back. This one says through my lens. I love these. Okay. And some big text, which I love these because I think that a 4x6 photo, let me try it out. I had no idea what was going to be sent to me. That's what I keep looking and comparing. So yes, a 4x6 photo fits perfectly in here, or a 4x4, and then you can embellish it and make a little layout. Love these. I have the black ones from Tim Horton. I have like one left. Okay, there was a typo in one of the stamps, but they will send it later. Yes! Sorry, my ADD was like, numbers, yay! But how cool is this? Oh my god, I love it so much. And I love the days, weeks, months. 2001, 2021, 2021, 22, and 23. And yeah, I was looking at this one when I got distracted. So what I did last year is that I had a few cork embellishments that I made with my stamps and my dies, and this would be really cool. Let me show you. Okay, so let me see an example. Something really simple. It'll look really cute. So I could do something similar with that, and I love the little icons. This could become like an almost everyday sort of thing with the little elf. And I love these kind of icons that fit into circles. Oh. And the little words, and I love the mix of fonts. There's some that I typewriter, like old-fashioned, cursive. I love it. I love this little, oh, here you can use also the little icons, and then here you can stamp joy or cozy, or just write some journaling down, and you can create like your own labels. Okay, and they say glitter and merry together, milk and cookies. It's merry cocktails highlights. Delivery from Santa, North Pole Baking Co. Christmas cozy, magic details, holiday happenings, twinkle lights, naughty or nice, by the fire, Noel, bake, good cheer, the night before Christmas, wishing you a very Santa's visit, the magic of Christmas, joy, it's time to fill with tradition. Sparkle and shine, merry and bright, December memory stories, holiday lights twinkle, together for the holidays, holiday music, the gifts, and ho ho ho. This is really cute. I'm crazy about the little icons. Okay, and they also sent me this pattern paper, and all of these items are available in the shop if you're ever curious or you want to get one of these items for yourself. It's a small company too, so you're supporting a small business. Okay. Oh, I love that Coco. That's really cute because I knew that this collection was out and I kind of saw a few things, but I was still like, I gotta use my own thing. So, oh, I love this and the foil. This is the cutest. And I love it because it has very staple designs that you can use. So cute. Oh, I like this one too. I love pattern paper that looks like paper. I know that I can get paper, but I like it when it's like that. Don't ask me why. And now let's open up the flea market findings, which is the October kit. Or here's a peek at the newest kit coming to the shop on October 1st. Flea Market Findings brings vintage theme ephemera, embellishments, journaling cards, and patterned 6x8 paper together in a fresh new way. Designed to work beautifully together, these products will be offered as a kit as well as standalone items in the shop. Additional products will be arriving soon. We wanted to give you a chance to preview the paper and journaling cards for the full release. Happy storytelling. Okay, so let's start with the paper. Oh, this is so pretty. I always love these kind of patterns. You see that wood, you could use it with the holiday kit, and that one too, and the hexagons too, and maybe that one too. It's really cute. Some enamel dots. And the cards, the first one says, sometimes the smallest things take up the most room in your heart. Winnie the Pooh. Another of the card. Ooh, I love this one. Never give up on the things that make you smile. And this is a poem. Better an oops than a what if. It's true. Take every chance you get in life because some things only happen once. I love this one. I like this one too. So calendar could be a great title card. Ooh! Now this I'm very excited about. This one could be a good holiday one. I love these. Oh, it's going to be hard though because now I like both sides. And that is part of the October kit, the holiday kit, the stamps. I am so excited. Let me see. My favorite has to be, I don't know, I really love the stamps, but I also like the gold alphas, and I like the little sequin mix. I don't know, I can't pick a favorite thing because everything was really, really cool. Let me know down below in the comments what was your favorite, if you can even decide. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned to see how I use all of these products. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an amazing day. Bye!